Hello and welcome to this quick video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to part up board games to make money on eBay. You could possibly sell them on other sites, but I've had the most luck on this platform. Okay, so we're going to start off by finding out what's worth money, and I'm going to recommend that you type in board game replacement. I just put replacement, that way you won't likely to have more search results. Alright. And as all of you resellers know, let's look at what's actually worth money. Sold items. And then let's go ahead and just eliminate a lot of stuff. Let's just say we want things worth at least $6. Okay, so here we have a large variety. Now let me go ahead and talk about when this would be appropriate. This would be good if you found the board game and thought it was complete and found out it wasn't. Is it good to look up the parts to see if they're worth money? And sometimes if you have a rare game, it might be worth more money in general just to part it out than to sell it as a whole. But that doesn't apply to most items. So let's go ahead and take a look. And this is something that I'd recommend most of you stay away from. Items that don't sell for a lot with free shipping, that probably costs $4 to $5 to ship that. After fees, you're really making almost nothing. So I wouldn't recommend that to most of you resellers. Now this right here, these Harry Potter pieces, looks like they sold 3 of them for $8 plus shipping. That's not bad. And if that happens to be something you got for free, already had around the house, or something you just, a bad buy you was stuck with, that wouldn't be bad at all. You could possibly recoup some of your money right there. Let's find some more examples. Here is 25 replacement pieces for this perfection game. That could be a good thing to do if perhaps you bought the game and the function doesn't work, but you still have all the pieces. Might not be a lot of money, but that's some money back in your pocket. Now, I haven't had any luck selling the mats myself, but some of them do look to be worth money, like this Pokemon one. Keep in mind, though, that as far as I know, the Pokemon Monopoly game is pretty rare. Alright, so let's step up and see what might be going for a little bit more money. Keep in mind, the higher you go, the less search results you're going to get. Let's see here. Let's just look at the more lucrative one, shall we? Alright, so here's some board game pieces for a game called Hero Quest. Looks like they sold that for $33 with free shipping. That would not be a bad item to look out for. And some Monopoly pieces can be worth money. I'd recommend looking for old ones or licensed sets. Key to the Kingdom. This one is something that I've gotten and parted out myself. Made about 40 bucks on it, but that was a couple years ago. You can get one of these complete, though. They're worth pretty good money. Now, these are just Pokemon Monopoly pieces. Not bad at all right there. Just giving you an idea of what to look for. Once again, licensed Monopoly things. And I definitely recommend anything that looks kind of cool like this, or anything that kind of looks Dungeons and Dragons inspired, that you just go ahead and look that up. So here's something else that's like Dungeons and Dragons inspired. Alright, and I will show you my holy grail. The best thing I've ever found board game piece wise. Which I hope to find again, but these are kind of rare. Risk 50th. And this was like a deluxe edition that came out, and the pieces for it are actually made out of metal. That's one reason why they're worth so much. There we go. Let's spell it right this time, shall we? Alright, so there's a licensed game, brand new. Not quite what I'm looking for. Let's see. I'm going to take off that 50th. And in general, I would say most Risk pieces aren't going to be worth much money. Okay, back to souls. Alright, so it looks like I was wrong. It was the 40th edition. As you can see, these little metal pieces are metallic. That's how more weight to them. They're better made. Let's see, did they sell all of these? Yeah, they sold them in a large lot. When I picked up this game, it was missing a lot of the little army men, soldiers, whatever you want to call them. And I had taken each one of these colors and sold them individually in their pouches for anywhere between $15 and $20 a piece. Not bad. It's been a little while. I don't remember exactly how much I made on it, but I did pretty well. All right, well, that's pretty much all you need to do. Look up your pieces, find out what is and is not worth your time. If you're going to sell things in lots, I recommend you go ahead and pre-bag those so you don't get confused what is what, like risk game lot A, risk game lot B, or so on. All right, thank you for watching. Comment down below, which board games have you made money on? And remember to subscribe. Bye.